Hi, this is Barney from the Dougherty Garden. Let me give it a yellow face look. That's me. No shame. Alright, here we are. We're looking at my orchid. It's a generic name for the orchid. I don't want to get down into the fancy stuff. You gotta look on the internet for all the fancy names. But I know this one as the Purple Orchid because it was one of the white and purple orchids that I got from my fellow John, who has since relocated out of the area to up the Ocala area. But before he moved, he gave me a few orchids, and this was one of them. It's a purple orchid. So I had it all over the garden, and right now it's in its permanent location as of the last 3 years. And as you can see, there's several stems. There's two prominent ones right there in the middle that are going to produce or will produce. Let me just take a look in the middle there. Let me see. Let's not get snappy here, Marty. Yeah, follow the blue. There's one, and there's number two. Now, that one produced, and that one produced. Now, we're just waiting for new shoots, as you can see. So let me see if this one down here, I'm not sure about this particular one. I think that's old too. But there they are, a few orchids in the Dougherty Garden, and I leave them over here because they're air plants and they will basically survive anywhere they are where there's air, and there's a lot of air down in Florida. Presently we have a lot of hot air coming out from the eastern portion, a place called Mars something, I forget what it is. Okay, in the meantime, getting back to, or as some people say, getting back to our original scope of what we're here for is to look at the air plant, the orchid, the purple orchid. I basically do nothing other than take pictures of the plants, the flowers when they do arrive, which are pretty colorful. Purple. I got purple and white, but the white one seems to have died over the years, so I have no idea what's going on with this one, but we're enjoying a few moments, and this is just videotaping another plant in the Dougherty Garden. Thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.